Mr. Finn, you're now you're about 2 weeks from a rotator cuff repair on your right shoulder.
Yes.
And you started laser treatments on day 4 after surgery.
Yes.
And the goal was to try to help you feel a little bit better, a little bit quicker, but you're about only 5 treatments in. Tell me a little bit about your experiences so far.
Yeah, I've actually only done 4 treatments so far. Today will be the 5th. And I'm kind of amazed at how much I can move my arm and how little pain there is. So
That's great.
I have to be careful not to overdo it.
That's right. I will be reminding
Yeah,
you of that
yeah.
fact, yes. But more importantly, another thing you mentioned about was sleeping, because I know lots of my patients who have rotator cuff repairs have real difficulty sleeping, especially in the initial postoperative period. Just comment a little bit about how your sleeping has improved from the laser treatment.
Yeah, the last 2 or 3 nights I've really been able to sleep pretty well with very little discomfort, if any. First few nights, of course, it's hard to find a good position that didn't hurt, but
Sure.
it's every day it seems to get a little better until last night I only woke up once during the night, and which is very unusual for me.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Yeah, I mean, if as long as you continue keeping up with the treatments as well as the rehabilitation process that comes with it, I would expect you to have an excellent outcome, and this would be a good option for a lot of patients who are dealing with these things, rotator cuff repairs as well as other injuries. We don't really test a lot of active motion this soon in the postoperative period because we're worried that people might injure the repair. But if you're having pain-free motion, you mentioned that you can raise it up to about 90 degrees.
Right there is no problem.
Wonderful. We typically don't recommend that you push it much further beyond that, but the fact that you're not having pain at that level of function
It just feels a little tight.
continue good progress along the journey. I'll be with you every step of the way.
All right, thanks.
Awesome.